So I'll be teaching you an application of ordinary differential equations, which is escape velocity. So the problem is a body falls from rest from a height so great that the fact that the force of gravity varies inversely as the square of the distance from the center of the earth cannot be neglected. Determine the minimum initial velocity with which a body must be projected upward if it is to leave the earth and never come back. So we have our acceleration, or dv over dt, is equal to k all over r squared, where k is the constant of proportionality, t is equal to time, r is any distance. Since it is stated in the problem that the force of gravity varies inversely as the square of the distance from the center of the earth. When r is equal to the radius of the earth, then the acceleration will be equal to negative g, or where g is the acceleration due to gravity at the surface of the earth. Thus, negative g is equal to k all over r squared. So k now is equal to negative g times the radius of the earth squared. Substituting equation 2 to equation 1, we get dv over dt is equal to negative g times the radius of the earth squared all over r squared. Since acceleration is equal to dv over dt and velocity is equal to dr over dt, then we can rewrite equation 3 to dv over dt is equal to dv over dr times dr over dt, or v times dv over dr is equal to negative g times radius of the earth squared all over r squared. Transposing dr to the right side, the equation now becomes v dv is equal to negative g r squared all over r squared dr. Integrating both sides, we get v squared all over 2 is equal to g radius of the earth squared all over r plus c. Multiplying both sides by 2, we get v squared is equal to 2g radius of the earth squared all over r plus c. Suppose that the particle leaves the earth surface with velocity v is equal to vo. Then, when r is equal to the radius of the earth, from equation 4, we will get vo squared is equal to 2g radius of the earth squared all over radius of the earth plus c. So c now is equal to vo squared minus 2g radius of the earth. Substituting equation 5 to equation 4, we get v squared is equal to 2g radius of the earth squared all over r plus vo squared minus 2gr. Now, to escape from earth, the velocity at the surface of the earth should be positive. So, equation 6 is positive if and only if vo squared minus 2gr is greater than or equal to 0. That is, vo squared is greater than or equal to 2gr. So, vo must be greater than or equal to the square root of 2gr. Thus, the minimum initial velocity to escape from earth is vo equal to the square root of 2gr.